productions. Nipa hono ashase bobina se womotiti ye de ntia na yesi hono. Ewie no asesa amasese de ekọ wie mu no womusuro se e de how ebebre wo mo.
Well, na me di kan say obi a obeye factory and na obedi dwuma bia. The primary economics skasem aso adwuma no ebeye den ebeba ma mabunu anya adwuma ye nyesa
okay
product na obeye no hu behia for my chichire nyesa nti economically no no ye na uwi a ni asan hwese nsunsanso ben na de beba e wo obo ade bobre ho nti ye hwe na ye balance situation be ya near balance. That particular project now can EPA has not permitted.
Okay.
EPA has not permitted.
They all pambros on EPA ma permit permit be.
In fact, EPA serious. Position is a possible intimi coexist with already salt production in Chinejuma.
Yeah.
And I feel we analysis now. The friend of wind direction now. A bar sea breeze, you know, from above free Ponoswa, a befawa na kwaku jano war, a Bakati here. And to produce your beer, your friend of particulates. Your man kitten.
Yeah.
A Bakako deposit. And scientifically and technologically, no. EPA, so say, yeah, and no particular project, no, where ye. And no just a factory be to me, my whole. Because a light industrial zone factory bit me about that particular. Main person may call details because a subject a matter subject could be minister.
Okay.
And unti ya can't say we are no way ni no. Emrano so my client says EPA new dia sembia now say EPA and no nini ya. Who can say we invoke the act no 490 a baby so between a petition minister sector minister who petition minister who to me say obeti committee na committee no ahwehwensem no and in this case no one year no sa to mo report to EPA ema minister aye committee no report aba enchepi ebeba abontin timpese konkon ha mempese me di menum nkwan no eja but no is not in isolation. There are other factories and enuma ku ahudu bi a eboa o ma chichire emenuma nanso obo ade bobre nhihie mu no ha adwene. This is Angel. Ye bekom na dodo na no obi e wa oye no be mfie aduonu ni. Na ba bi a okoye no na nipa kuonte ho. Nipa kuonte ho ni ntino panima na krata ni bibia ma ne ye se adwuma no ho. Ene dipa to tonsa asena benya na inkruchia
ho akoye kru
na abeye kru. So again authority comes in planning nti ya allocate say aha na de beye light industrial area eye den ana ye ton no nsase no for residential nti ubenya nananom na omu na nsase no ye omu dia anansa nti ubeda benya no na ya ton ha. A very, very typical case in point. A quarry site. You need a lot of complaints because quarry is no blast pay. And Crawford dying on the
crack.
Now I rehearse. But the point is, permitting a dema quarry, you will be a friend of buffer. Enti
ye jaba bia ye mo bia nsi dan ho se be ya wo paya bo no na asase no wo so kakra sa area ho no betumi age na enko ha obi adan basa area ho say omamfo isi adan asisi
ya ni nyina sa si wura fo na ton ni nyina but again the point is sa si wura fo na ton na grofo isi adan no authorities ye hunu ya na ye hunu. These are the things.
Filling stations in so
filling stations yeah new regulations are edeba but the regulations are also say no. National Petroleum Authority and the leading authority and as a regulator. Until now, you say 60 meters. Maybe I'll be there 60 meters radius and say public building no. And now one define public building to be school, to be friend hospital,
bank,
no,
bank in Kahon.
no, school, hospital, church, and our mosque,
Okay,
and our market.
okay,
These major 4.
okay.
And
And the circle, the filling station area to the site no and chain per pharmacy or can say a pedestrian shopping mall no home in say meet distance now can and chain per commercial bank.
They are not supposed to be public buildings. They are supposed to be commercial activities, and it allows.
Okay.
Because filling station now itself, you know, see a shopping or inside there. In fact, hotels filling station, guest houses, but regulations. Now, regulation does not, as it stands now, a mad distance be from residential.
Okay.
But the problem is, a be not play as assassin at Dahono. District Assembly, and our municipal and our metropolis, Omu land use, no, a be an mixed or commercial.
Yeah.
Say a mixed, it means over to their residential, over to their commercial activity. Nti se bia they say caucus now no residential was in the dine a particular enclave na kofi osika opeso here filling station oko no waton sa efie na ma ofidada
yeah
nti oton ma pe opeso here filling station yo ya na say dimrika no akola use and planning na akwa apply for rezoning. Then the place is rezoned for commercial. Nti oba no kwa na EPA unya bedru ye hope. Yen ya chefe wo mu ne ye se aso nsuansu abi da ho e be se no. Wiem prama na e be ko wiem no
Timo check ansana mo be penya mo. Ma me hwe ofanko barrier ho filling station bi ho manfo no sun say because of location no ama ensuo toketua bi akra dwonso kra ho na e ho aflade.
Well, I don't know because
yes, I politicians more the anti-movement can hold filling stations.
You COVID and I make say the regulations, and of past.
Yeah.
Eti ama ne ya yedin. Nia yetimi yesisi ya ne ye. Won afa na wo mu ba be ye no. No they are stop bebrebe. Ba si there bi we ye nye. To say you go beyond the near environmental even filling station be or baby memody company no near. Omudi ade ne buy not tank na omudi share form no. A share form a obi mpumachi ana tank ne share. We said no. It is at now no. Ya man nye. A couple of them be brave. But the problem here near ya site here we no. Enti your new regulations na ya de ba no. Ya can say wuni assassin ye and say 2+ size a boom. Betimi a contain about 10 cars at a goa. Ya nyadia ya bepne ya maunye. 2 as I say residence be or what say ye 60 meters as I apply to residential areas. From say that baby our no to 60 meters. 2 3 and say tanker. Full a parking filling station from 6 o'clock going.
Okay.
And you and say that overnight.
Okay. Be more parking see or no matter.
Yes,
okay.
No matter. And say yes, sir.
Okay.
3 Obibia opesa we sa filling station adwuma no. Na wo gidie say ubetimi aye all the necessary technological yin and sana ebetimi ama kwan amoaye. And yes, sir, Obeya no ISC ho. And for instance, with firewall, fire service for catch us say we erect firewall. Say fire alarm, any idea ho. Say outlets, no, we corner way back, say a Honda ho. But Kovi, it is never ever true. Say banking, shopping mall, and now we filling station cannot fit in. No, a commercial area near commercial place, it can't fit in. But as I said, near my, you go aquam. Now, in case of emergency, and a bit in your son on term, and no near the here Casepa. Baby, our baby, and Cecil Walker.
Angel 102.9.
We are hoping, sir, a bit near regulation, no? Okay. Maybe a cold June by July, August. Ebi o very recommend they say yin twem.
Okay.
Emubu
Bingo.
Yes.
By what time?
Oh, by August we
August.
should finish. Because national
and so far more number be air likely say go down.
Well, no, see they mean to me but it be so conspicuous. It be just say
when any boss who say we there beko.
No. I say ko.
Ga is not more for say woman development be so atomic police station area around the drainage system be any ho. Enti no mustro say e hono nso ensuo e be sha ase
omfa ayeno my location no.
Okay.
I can put my phone number there.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay.
0246 60 30 60.
0246
60 30 60.
60 30 60.
Yeah. And okay. Your office war, regional office war, Amasaman.
Okay.
Officers now so sharp. Complaints degree between the alcohol. Okay. Teman so your office. Tema, regional office.
Okay.
We are thinking of expanding into NCP, Benya operational district offices. To be able to say Buku be able to say Kaswan your office or
okay.
Baby, I say you're visible. None your money be or you're proactive. To say we share dynasty now or ye nano, nan tempani a big regu near the. Court na Crofobeko, de ever court Cassipa, but then say, me pesa me far more lawyers. Now, yet in actions are manso.
Because me kai say recently, Omampanika said Nibufu Kakra, ensure no a toy no, say injury a dino ebi enwu, especially the war ensure coinson. Yeah. Regional Minister and so called to honorable way wager side ho, and ra. Na unim the area, one a urana near no, the idea Kwabena a match as a ensuo no ayiria enipa nana musa no
but wow
we hia I mean e bi kasa mu say oh say ya natie o say ya natie and I am normal to them the hia ne say ba woro mpaboa de hia ne say woro mpaboa na asori dan ne say o ma pon but nipa ne ntimi mpie o mu nyina na aka wani mu ho no because kasa ka ho no o sa wo mu no just fa wo mo ho kra everything is normal. And what would the way I hear? I've done yes, way. Are we saying say we never knew say area area in Sube to me because when we didn't come out in Suna talk a crabia, it happens.
But COVID may situate a year.
Okay.
There are situations be a while, and yet water course no per se.
Okay.
It be a drainage system no. It be a and yet too effective. It be a two ball agumi. It be also a friend say yes no drainage system ne insure na ba bebrebe because you see maybe na me hwe Germany ni Europe insure yira fa wo mu ne ade wo mu no mu to ball angu gatem na akosi ana wo mu si dan no susu wo insukwam but insure yiri fa wo mu and more here no more clip na bro chire de na nsu yi fra wo mu no ano say
oh yeah
na what it is na say and no ya kasa ho akwa climate change ewie mu nsachira ya abewi ase nyina no say nsuo to a wo be ka say nsuo nto kakra bi but the I say the quantum of downpour no a does one to the extent say eire. Now, where are we say no? Baby bebre o wa. Seka nsuo no nya kwan ehome kofo mu a nke bi ebeboa. Ba wo si ofie no wo sika nti wa to tiles afa ho nyina. Papa yeso ato tiles afa ni de ho nyina. Nti nsuo no to a eno an say rane. Wo ko big offices a ye wo omema ni nyina say concrete and cement. Nti nsuo ni nya kwan kra na ahome akofo. So, the said running. And we have a whole bunch of rethinking, engineering works, architecture. Obesifie no nua wo ho, a nua no na se nke betimi asoku nsuo no, wa bu nua ni nyina. Adan a obesi dan obeye project.
Asa wo to kwan a dua kra nsa na obebu no ohia ho permit.
Anya ha ohia
enwa
urban roads.
se wo be fie dua si wo me se nkofo atwa gu o say
wonya bi sa boya sonte urban route apply to us every day. The first time in office me feed that. One of the letters I'm here it came from University UDS.
Okay.
University of Development Studies.
Yeah.
Omo guest house to be uko police headquarters or yes. Now omo ye development. Inti esu mu twa nua miensa. They wrote to EPA. Say ompeso mu twa nua no miensa. Na omo bedua enum asha 9. Ti EPA mehwe niam on pem. I was so happy. We went there, we saw and all that. Now indeed, Ihiyama said so much anti you can send you only 10 instead of 5 in on proposal, and they did so. A lot cathedral now you know.
Yeah.
They wrote to us any other. Then the suggestion came. Say, can we uproot Niani Nencore plant? Inti Niakesiye Nim Triakesiye. Yet two are seeing in an articulator so. Muhuno memoir.
Debbie.
Mahu.
Moko duana we.
Just in the past year,
Debbie Moko duana he. Ya pesi ya
Parks and Gardens. Omayina asasina ho. Mko dua bi o. Abemi ensan egu articulator so. Na de ko. Me videos me de send them. Oh man, ya put the whole tree. And we can do so many things. You're not necessarily destroying. Than saying
because yente some watch will be so we trade dia abra wa meje permit.
Nye.
Enti abane sa.
Nye because ye complain no. Ya complain my. They into one more. Say na mani kopie bi so dia. And sanene another application aba umpeso ma expand N1 motorway no. Okay. Nti contractor no near the highways for the aba. So mu be say nua bi about 32 number kwako. So you know can say ya prutu na enko planting wo baby a be safe. It instead say be cutting we approve them. Na yakwa plant. 1 cheap, 2 what save system no. 3 what man crop for adwuma. So Parks and Gardens have applied have written to EPA. We want to have a very close collaboration.
Hacho to Atomic. Omo be quinum. Hacho. Aye, Hacho. No, Diano Mucho, Omo Hono Mutu
Hacho to Atomic.
Aye.
Gayek anymore.
Aye, Econoa.
Gayek Hono.
From Atomic. Now, Udi Eburum. Okwa KFC be our left side.
Yeah, KFC no right and left.
Okwa KFC no right. On the right, they do call Wisconsin. On the right, they do call Ufisa Atomic corner all call to the Wisconsin Junction and cast a friend filling station be crowd. Salan hon and real who much training na a Ukwenuka little opposite the Legon Botanical Gardens. Yes.
How much training now? How move road expansion?
Expansion.
Oh, okay.
First, no to confirm near there and confirm there. Come
on. What and what didn't you know? Reference point.
Some rapping, you know.
Reference point is in confirm.
Conference sport, but come up.
That is so. I had to Atomic.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
This time the crown. You think California punish you, ma'am. Do remember the money more.
Oh yeah. No, that is what will help because we are working. Baby, one nimo.
Yes.
I think it's
here permit.
Omu here is a very powerful communication department.
Yeah.
Sir. Complaint line see.
Yes.
I said to me that obiano.
Yeah.
Say amo two a year baller goose I insuimu. Na me nya opportunity say na kofi a year NGI ya. Na me twa mo. I know the complaint line. Yeah. I sent the materials of what I have. Then you can work on it. But say minim complaint line bia. Na I don't know mpo say metimi complain ya dia. Me twa ana me ka kire ho na.
Honorable, on say omampani kan say be say tisika so come there.
Sure.
We can find these people. You bet me ajiwo musika for this careless living here or more. Yeah, boy says sika ya no go. If people become lawless, get money from them. You buy for doing it and doing it well.
And yet they cry, mukrei. Number sign and hey na buy we
Honorable
buy
fine wo mo
na buy we buy na
David
buy we na o me ho to ye ne ya to aba no
ne the video na ba hwa de ya wo ye we ya ban asem
na kokofu ye to aba ma so ahu ana ne o be fine na se me ofa ase kra na o de ne koi ana enti ye be ye ne ye be ye sremo asofo nom mo ne ana jato anta kom ho afi nananom so ahu jato an koda na ho za na o hwe ne chacha wa kira kwan na chese eno ansa na mo nsenchirofo yi ayi odumfu kumfu yi
ona bo he TV no so kakra man wo hu atomic from atomic police station
na we dey ho na betumi atwa we wo bi atwa bi ara
we mo munye
no but heard the way
bana okay
the way
from the way
because ahapa wo drive now do wa
dual carriage
that be tie dual carriage na say enua ne be di mfimfini
okay anti wo be suggest say enua ne wo kwan no me de ho yen introduce
yes pepe mame ma under president Kufuor sa hipic plantation na dua enua massively no o member you be na urban forestry component it is a wo ko takrade a kekusuku kwan no ho enua bi san ho sidela na bia enua bi san so we free manfe ko Kufodua left and right kwan ho nyina enua bi sisa ho enua kro your friend sidela odorata ana eduadua wo ko sunwane mankranso hon Kumasi nso oba mfimfini ho no ne adea. We did all that. Now that time, now my case was, even though I'm a supervisor, but my case was future plans anything for road construction or expansion. Highways for my limits, no. Nanki a dia akomu to that na because even yini now baba road no double.
Me name the entire expansion more Monye na munya buffer no middle of the road so that expansion ekoswa we expand ya dan mobile no middle no na mo agya ho na to for encroachment say N1 anka mo ye kwan no wo nchen ha na middle no yadua green grass and as yadua yikura ho na in future we expansion a onsan mu obi ade bia ngu bia no ne se wudwi so na woko but mo ya no mo ye ne tia no mo agya nchen no mom for encroachment say oh yadua nua ho a later this yebu nua na trouble
it can be done and man say expansion no say nua no be dim finfini na we no ekwa na no bi na ye no airport ha we can do everything we airport expansion baby a custom for no on say nua na be dim finfini o man twa dua ba akokra by ya timi expand akwan. That is how I say this architectural designs, ebetimi aye. Enti kobi Kwabena kan sembi. I say we need a strong communication outfit. I believe and I do think so. Your internal client services within our setup. I just say no obetimi aye complaints ni ade ho. But I see a scale up.
Yeah, because the environment, the way I say,
yes, I see a scale.
We need to start from somewhere.
I see a scale up at a bigger level.
Yeah,
some kasa ama saman. Memo mababonti near the numbers ni na betu tuvia. Na near many be a arrest be near maybe and also
some prosecution.
Yes.
Honestly, I won't hear you because it will serve as a big deterrent. The money be ache. Still, I can say you were certain households, certain commercial buildings. A toilet facility, outlet of
affluence,
no.
Yeah,
Kogatamu, direct.
Easily gone have identified a EBO.
Yes.
We're going to be on them. And
the areas is here video. Yes, a tema will be a private refinery be around the Hono. Meaning if Abamu notice will be a private refinery what tema around the Hono said a hot year. And Omanfas and the Abrayano.
No, but you see the point, we can also not say yenye development.
Sure.
We cannot also not say yenye inyuma. If you say ye kure na say penyuma ama ye mabunu. Yes sir.
Yeah.
And you know we do all this now you're making sure say it is within the confines. The place is demarcated for heavy industrial setup.
Permissible.
Heavy and woman no encroach.
Okay.
One woman no encroach. And he said a drusa activity na ya a hona mano beba sasia. And so tiasia na very locate. So enti the mere fact said that's asene da hot time na bibia nu akotena so no kobobo wo sese no nche se abeya wo dia heavy industrial area
ana wo Kokofu minim se ene mo event nti no wo kona mo akomma okay mo akwakoye adwuma kakra enti yemfa ensi ha na o final words wo de say discussion ye bie mu kese you bet plastics in the idea a hard drain one crying ha pa and it looks like money the balls or not because musro say you bet trouble musro say beka say na say a branch about cry or no plastics or the blocks or the trap blocks or these low cost houses a interlocking blocks all locking now the CC are dying. As wonya supporters a plastics ya ye challenge ama your dodi enu no de betwa blocks bebre ne de asisi adan kra wo odo na no hwa efefe ne ya twe chese yeti sika so nso come there
Kofi come on ahead yes any balls we have it we are saying say reuse recycling nya ye hunu say ye wura ni nyina na resources. Until how do we get it back into the mainstream? We have a number of recycling facilities. One Sanyama Wina, Omuno de Ayajuma. Have been the blocks here working. Minimum another company, or the year roofing, you know. Dr. Japan company. Meka didn't see a mechanic. So, I just say a facility. And we are looking for investors.
Nana I think some year be France for crab I say a ball and non peso mobese sako. Fako.
You hear investors, local investors. Local nipa no wo sika no bebre wo ho a omunhu ne omde be our doors are open wo proposal ni bibia fabra ene there is a law act 1032 of 2020 no de kire ne PPP public private partnership emra no ma ho kwan se oman adwuma te se EPA oman adwuma te se Energy Commission or Mayor Juma to say District Assembly and now municipal. One crankra no kuta usika no jetri. And now wo and nimdiebi technology be a bit mini akambumu. Ni aye Juma. Na emrana bo we say Juma no ho ban. Ujo mfaswa de beteoka. Na kakra beko o Mayor Juma no ho nso akono ho. Ye nyina yetimi akambum. Ni aye say Juma nyina. These are yeni abra ye ka ho asem bebrebe no resources ehia facilities ye was here ye dey recycling no enoso pi kakra na e wo no ye ahoho nko ana e dey ye so na ubehwe yesu na ahoho na wo mu ba ni amo wo abegi adwuma no mu ye ni say Zoom Lion one indigenous company wabon who modern papa over the years. Zoom Lion etra na shiemu Afrigana ko amama hodo.
O last me kwato mo Dubai nyina.
Yes. Na dwuma kakra omu ye composting ni ade a omu ye. Se omu nya moa every citizens ne ho. Na ya segregate ye waste na. Ebema we are ye ken ne ya ye mre nti the next move ye ni Zoom Lion edin kuta ho yes ye be provide enough beans no na ama anase ye be share fie wurafo no no more provide beans
no abonten de ne de momfa cement enye na mo de siwa na nkofo asesa
no we are the ko
nti monye na mon se metal ones so se concrete ones na mo be advantage points so
catch us ankrofo no fo afidie catch wo mu se enye o ton no mu nyai
o mo wi adas me
ane because when him so mu wia ana woni
o mu wia pa
enti bondawuro se enye na se ye so bi mu na ye yire na
honorable am robbery ye enye but wo mo ye enam se police chi wo mu nti no wo mo ye o mu suro nti ama eswat imagine se police nchi am robbery anka kuro mo ebetumi atena enti so mo wia sa ne ma ya let the laws work. We are ready to capture a best serve as a deterrent. Obi ko wia osuro uhu a you can report because your report nkosi here.
That be. O report to be mama na nkosi here. Report to be made mama na hwese besi baby a. You need to we anya no nko ayina gata no unse ne ye de
yeah slabs na metal we say no scrap for no the question.
Na wa be yiri ko de.
O mo aswa de ko.
Na no kra de di bia me hunu ye. Ayi efie na ya number
a number plate house
aluminium no ano no
wa
ni nyina na bo no bona chese wo dwiri nipa ho a abobo ye na obi de akogina kwan ya ye no foforo na chippings no
osa ni nyina wa de kosi ne dan
enti
ana yenwie wa Ashanti region elections ya mokoko ye ewi matumi aka abom de enim say chema odene ho ne chema untumi de boani pa accusations bebre du baabi no na mo amoda no amohwa ma elections na akoso na certainty na ni bi eba so sabre ne ye kon ye ntumi enyaw na mo akọ abutu amodwenwen ho de see ye no wa Ashanti region specifically mo ya satisfied with elections na de koye
oh aden Ebenezer de onyame de abeduru ni about be en ho a ayemremremre da
na wo chema untumi ana chema odene ho
na me New Patriotic Party committee no me na me secretary da regional minister chairman eti yade aseda bema party mpanifo titiru president of the republic so him said another Dan Kwabena on a leader of the party na nyaye mu areshe mu nyaye nko all the regions isan said you media na national executive under the auspices of the general secretary Yera Jombodu nomina ese omuye na omuntimi nko ba bia nti na ese omunya committees nti Ashanti region your committee no na regional minister honorable Simon Osemensa ana odano ene mpanifo ahodo bebre ne mrantie a omu eka ho na areshemu na mpani nya wo yemu no kra no eno ya ademu nti yanso yumadi de say yansa no ye ne say a New Patriotic Party asem obia owo pepe bia no mra nti for the first time want to see obi chase for nomination forms seka me secretary e bia ring secretary na me pe nomination form so me wo mra da ne me wafuom nti na ben na be frefuom be ba no de nya
voters album no na yete se na ebi mo chase for no munya
na no kra na eye na nya ade bia na eye just say anyway hetwem but betumi aka nem na nya ade bia na ehu pisa oh da bi kwa
delegate amekotoba na mekwa kodu na bia medeni
Kofi mame
pa na contest nya
Kofi mame I clarify say we ma simple bia that time munya me rules and regulations na the to aba no e define the category of friends and delegates. One, constituency executives are elected near appointees. They are supposed to be 17 until on MP kahwa no I 18 until me bantama say 17 until no boss and so bo achi kahwa omi 18 and they are known for 44 constituencies. 43 constituencies. The other 4 no many MPs until we expect 17 they're free ho. That's one segment. The other segment no bigger segment Tescom for representatives, they were supposed to be 58. So, and then the third segment, regional executives, 17. And then Council of Elders, 10. Patrons, 10. Founding fathers and mothers, only 7. And with the 18 multiplied by 43, number ben anya. We shall young kunta. Yes. 18 by 43.
18 multiplied by 43, about 774.
774.
Aye.
Okay. And 4 multiplied by 17.
4 multiplied by 17, and so about 68.
68. What come I say?
68 plus first one. I was saying, was it 774?
842.
842.
842. Okay. So one segment of delegates near 842. The second highest is 58.
102.9.
Now about 17, 10. And this 842, they were known. If you say one there contesting, omu call rounds here campaign.
Until they justify say
Maybe trouble. Omu call out here campaigns are 2 months and sana ye be nomination. Into omu call out no me campaign. If one no campaign omu. They knew a standard. Now 17 regional executives, is known. So we be preposition or Ashanti region. Now we name patrons, council of patrons. We name on do na any moment then I don't know. Council of elders or Ashanti region or party. We be preposition now we name Sankro Fidi.
And two parties say woman never troubling in and say oh contest being kwa there you should know them.
You should know them primarily.
Okay.
Primarily. They are not a bone of contention. Na a day a yikakraba a Tescom.
Okay.
Because Tescom, the idea is say regional executives na youth organizer or no coordinate the region's Tescom activities. Enti delegates never no or no na say or compile. What you say? Ebinum Sufi say no compilation no say a different way of compilation. Ebinum claims say presidency for no and I say omu form delegation. That was the only bone of contention. Aside that, so when you abrepa, and I indeed know me any abre because they knew them. They knew until no year campaign 2 months and sana we nebeba. Enti ana ye nya bomb and fine ye nya bomb no ye wie any ade no. Woman ye sua bomb no ho kese pa de ma wo. Ye kan say je nafa kodi nkunim. What you say? But by and large, well, by and large, the truth in the say, you are quite about also internally, it will fear. As I say, you team manage yen kasa ene near my ye. Because do baby na homet. Atenye ni sem kanyane ntwato so kontomponum niema bebrebe committee members we had our fair share but anyway see him the game him said it sometimes obi betumi aheda se obeya se bia obe break it down na bibi o betwem enti no de so wo hwe utie wo hwe results ni ya nkuni de odi nkunim no test confirm to be 4 other constituencies and to be Rodi nkunim no okay kan nyina bom edi omu an ono omu beka chairmanship no okay omu ya 5 o kan 4 ni nyina bo subom na the test kon beka ho with the council of elders bibia beka still a omu to there odi nkunim no
so chimpa.
That's the point. Enti to de bia complaints kasa nomni ade bebre yes ehia ense so me esisiu ense so wani da ho ba ya na wo be ya adwuma no wo fom no ehia papa
Chain dede no
be na wo kwa yi a group of 842 to deal with you know them uko constituency bia hu wo jai kokko 10 ho
ye enkomo no ye brand nti but finally sika ewura mo abato emu enye hu dodo yɛtetete na yɛtua sɛ mu bia weje sɛ ya monetization monocracy awura yɛn
the last time I'm checking here na Ghana Journalists Association mo to aba no ko wie court kra ntokwa ne ade enu se sisika tua ne ade bam true or false
metibi
utibi fine so we a member nti na me said this year
even na dey for ya
akobi me ba baby because minimum sorry so yekoto aba wa sorry eye kandifo and also so me tibi sa kwam na wo ya sorry penny busa what you say
just say baby
na mo school for e mrantie o mo e SRC for any nooks for
almost
so
tell baby
enti akwakoye ade bi a abeda ho a enye if you say I can see die any I can die person odi kan a odi domanimu a eye wunyina so ne awunim ne abetimi aye ne ade ba ya me na kodum pempenso bi a emfa ho ne nim die awo emfa ho ne aho pe awo onipa ne be pese obawira wo na anim kakra na ye ne aya ise toai owire ho ahwe mai e chese eja akwaya asefem but
yenso so saka boys ne ba be president so we ska we ska
no but where aden so esone so baabi duru baabi wo wan hwi ya obeka se sikana sa sikana ye nkrofo bebre aji om sikana di entoma won ana hunhu bi unti bi
matifie delegates
bi o ha so ebeji sikana di ye entoma
na forest no o onya hye ni bi de
forest ben ya
achimata forest
there be ada wo che
say nkofo twa
there be
o will na nyam say ye audit o will ansa na wako
there na me bi mpo
forest ono wa fa hoda o ono zo fa hoda
ntie bia we twa kakra to
na mo emre bi no ye operation bi no na me o parliament mo ba bi
operation
mo crew na ma hwe me aya na me o problem asem we ba ya ye ka forest as achimota forest me percent central for mu ye bold Metro TV ba hobi UTV baby mu anje mu baby TV3 hwan mu betwaye 2015 to 2016 I was in parliament then. Your parliament me na me was select committee on lands and forestry then I got a call ba na president
private call
there be stress call distress call
okay
from forestry commission say honorable asem obo dia obi krachi bia ba ha okura court order supreme court order say Achimota forest wa wene nti we private developer na yen forestry commission for your portion of the reserve no ye je ho a ono private developer no aba say ompene mayenye ho na was secure police protection police personnel a protected private person
and so when
now all preventive forestry commission so me champana me kobo me chairman here not that time no here honorable Suleimana NDCMP and quickly with the dispatch of free members in and okoje permission or speaker and a speaker my parliament bus and a free media and media for so we drove straight to the place. What guys asked him that day I nearly slapped a policeman there. Yes, you drew on near the parliament to KSC hall. Now you see form. Then a police young man confronted us. Move for him up at the hour. Nam saying now can who the actual who no policeman up at the hour who duty or hide. Or he is on duty. And it took the national security hierarchy at that time to rush in. Now we had to sack this private person from the place. 2016. Now Achimota lands, school lands, ye involved. And to what we did, they said, National Security for by no maintenance and a parliamentary select committee. I said, no, yeah. reserve your man dia. It is a private person be so wato na ye ne dia. Ye we will not recognize. Man say ato wall afa e ho no. That was the instance. So we summoned Achimota School old students. They paid Kesi call on us, our parliament, at the Omu petition by Professor Haiti, former University of Ghana Chancellor, Vice Chancellor. On no president then, meaning so no president. He himself came to our parliament until we deliberated on this, and then we advised, say, baby, land in the Akano, and 2 war no fanfa. Now war no so contract no fan come military. So to say for about 2 war. At that time encroachment, one CCR die, one year friend car mechanics in yard. And to say for no be draw no me wheelbarrow no madiana. One union man konum 2 war we are waka. Ntino crofod dimrika. Yum niama. And the 2 war. That is how we saved the place. Now, what are we talking about? Say we be at Achimota Forest. What brother records are there? There is a company.
Which of the records now can you? Will records and now say records are a year contrary to the Ekin kind.
Yes.
Contrary to the Ekin kind.
Yes. So this will be at Achimota Forest. Let me tell you. Who right here. I would say
there be a prayer camp before no
prayer camp. Mom say Akibio.
Aye.
Mobusa Ak in the NTSO. Ubia Musai.
There be a Fakozuno.
Yes, 2016. 2016.
A Honan Camp Periphery no.
And Camp Periphery in Nako. A company applied to the then government. And an amount 227 acres of land. Omubeye Accra Eco Park.
Yeah.
And Omukai.
My kai.
Mukai.
Aye.
And as our president, I know also know a bear launch. Munim the entire Eco Park in MI. It was supposed to be $300 million project. 2016. They've secured secure almost everything.
This is Angel 102.
I call for parliamentary approval. Then a new government comes into office. 2017. I was a member of the Forestry Commission Board then. Then, the company came up with the documents in Oma Dienina. Omuba no, Oma signed a contract with the previous regime. Any idea, any BBI, it has to take off. Then the board says, okay, project no mobeya na munye umsi ebeye. Now, answer ni basically $300 million. Just say you register land in the company ni dim until they are going to land. No matter register company no land no company ni dim. Then we say no, because in your agreement, you are in with the Forestry Commission, and I'm develop what there.
Tiene nama echo we na channel project no.
That is it. That is it. And we had to stop that one. And granted, say government no harder than our amount 227 acres. And promises say, Omema company need their conidim. No, I could secure 300 million. And yet tantamount to sale. Huh? So we stopped it. We stopped it. And I'm saying it's on record. Obia should go there and check.
So Achimota Forest yencha ebi entomo obia.
No, what it is in say. Under previous regimes, including former President Rawlings num time, the original owners of the land, a Owu family. In fact, contenders no more also. Osu was also contended, but it emerged. Say. Fono nana a war superior argument sort of back and forth until they won several court cases including Supreme Court until one na on toma to say what no be omaton bi ama to say smesia no maton bi ama na ni nyina no was on the your periphery now, I mean around the hono. Now a years back, baby terminal, car terminal.
New station there. Police station inside.
Nina, you're part of the lands we are talking about. Nina.
Tiachimota forest no periphery hono.
And no, so Nina declare and say periphery. Because Nina was a part of so Kachimota South Forest Reserve now. Nina, I can't.
Okay.
Nina can't even to maybe a runabout no one. Runabout no one. N1 runabout. Also, no man's land to be off from home. Nina are supposed to be part of the reserve.
Okay.
And it has been overdeveloped. One say, "Oh, call Westland hono or right or left."
Say, see, video I hear. Oh, share middle hono baby. I say, my name say Hoye prayer camper. Eba baby I say kawat no side hono ha ho. And the coin I call zoo hono na. I say development be any inside ankasa on.
No, eti we no nyina no. It's being protected by a friend say LI.
Okay. Sir John Prot no he.
I was our periphery now developed. Chat was here developed that no.
Oh, okay.
And your old family for no say it is idea old family for na na primary owners on that day. Dama aban no twa mu ko ye atwa bi ma old family for no.
Okay.
I on record. The old family for no timi ton ma wo. Timi ton ma obia.
Okay.
But the core
the periphery ni pacha ni.
Aha.
Periphery ni ano no.
Yes.
Omati ano no fine. The boy kura tum.
So
ano.
Enti when nyina no aye already developed. Just say hypocrisy.
Yeah.
How do we say it's still a forest reserve? Enti LI 144 no seek to declare all those now aye structurally developed over the years, 20 years, 15 years coming. And on the a year free, we say, you declassify and say your forest view, which is the truism. That is the truth.
And
then LI 154 is protecting the green. But move on to green.
Phone number.
Move on phone number. You buy number. Sad you only green in green in LI 154 of 2022 is protecting winning na. So I may ask more clip now. Baby terminal no one. Any baby I saw that case. More sa clip no.
It's that side no. Just be a.
Monya na muncha. Sa honum ni nyina no.
Na ho nyina ka ho.
Ho nyina ka.
Golf baby about golf ni nyina.
Yes. That we crowd no atra ho.
Ma who say we say na chi ho.
Abofun abofun side ho na.
What say
kwai na otimi fa chi ko pie kisi ma ho no.
That's it. Ho ni nyina. Now funny say who saw that case bi. Na UT4 crowd there bi ho. Sa ho ni nyina were part of the forest reserve.
Okay.
And no hono ana LI 144 no declassified no as forest reserve. Simplicity.
It's supposed to be originally part of the forest.
Yes.
But
now
developed that
over the years.
It's still being classified as
forest reserve.
Meanwhile, in your forest, I'm on 40. It's declassified as a forest reserve.
Yes. Nania akana ye green no. And no the yemfa LI 154 e mo ho ban.
Time I know mon sesam ran woman at the side on akese na mra bia mo ho ban ana.
That woman into whole family na ton ama won. But wo mo call lands no mo koye documentation na e wo ho say forest reserve into no mapem. Into
abusia na twa ma wo mo but wontumi nyankrata ho. I say we jansa asini bia aban nyanya mu na wanfo asisi adan wo so no.
Yes. Sa pepepe. Enti na che say ye dada ye ho.
Ana bo ye dase.